there guys, today I'm going to be picking this Duramax, which is the same as the Yatzell, proof being that, well, on the packaging it says, and I got it from the same place, and the keys design are the same. If the Yatzell one, if the brass one was a bit, the Yatzell brass one was a bit bigger, it would probably smoothly. Oh, it already does. Okay, never mind. I wonder if this goes in here. No, because it's too big. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here to pick this. But another thing being is this and Kmart Performer. This is the key for the Performer. Are probably made in the same factory. Just to get things straight. I can pick them in about the same short time. This is the Duramax one gets in. The same color. They both fit each other's keys in. As with any Chinese key. But the bolts are all the same, the bottom is the same. If I open them up, shackle will be the same. The shackle is going to be the same, just different size. Damn it, just close. The only difference is this is probably better quality because it can close easier. So I'll pick this one in the next video. Yeah. Oh yeah, something else, they also both have scratches around the same place. And this one doesn't have it. And I even have the packaging for the Performer. It says made in China. So let's get to picking our Duramax one. I think these are the keys for the Duramax. So the TARDIS of everything is there. We need to find our picks. Nope, too small. So a single pin picket. My short hook has even gone worse now. It's completely bending down. It's really crooked. That's straight, by the way. Yeah, it's just screwed up. I don't know if I'll ever be able to fix it or use it again. Whatever, I'm planning on ordering more soon. So, let's just pick our way into our favorite Chinese lock. I'm going to end up accidentally opening this by all likeliness because I have already hurt my finger and end up with blisters along my finger. I like the holder around here. It has the same problem with all of these locks when picking. And the core is in better than the Performer, but the core still isn't in that great. The tension wrench will flip up and screw around with everything. Just, it's a pain in the butt to pick. Let's do this. Yeah. Stupid, this is the longest it's taken me to pick it. There we go. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. That's normally not that hard. I was just kind of hurting my finger just a little bit. So yeah, see you guys next time.